Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Northern Europe and a neighbor to Germany, Sweden, and Norway. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Denmark, Denmark, Mark, Denmark. Denmark is known for its rich history and progressive society. With a strong emphasis on sustainability, design, and quality of life, it's also famous for its picturesque landscapes, charming cities like Copenhagen, and its strong maritime heritage. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Denmark, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.